Look at the view. I haven't been there for so long. Ayang! Diba? Stop pushing my things down. Yeah. Take a key home. I'm gonna be using this hijab that my friend got for me. If you guys wear hijab, this place. So it goes with that. Basically, just pin down the side. Just that. Well, I think there needs to be more. Buy a you. That. Then you just move this job to the back like that. So pin it, but it's not stretched back. Just with the soil. Yeah, this should look bad. For lunch, I'm eating fried rice, nuggets, and seaweed. I want TXT like steak impulsively. I'm gonna go open it and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how it's like. I'm going on a Tinky concert next month, and I'm actually super excited for it. And I didn't have a TXT like I didn't have a like stick for like my Stray Kids and 17 concert. Saying with a light stick is a different experience, so I'm gonna be doing it with the light stick this time to make my experience even full. Oh my god, like I said, make my experience even more full. Instruction card, and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna unbox this. This is a light stick bag, I think. Convenient. What, the PC is so big. Wait. Oh, it's the card. Oh my god, look at the young self. Look at cutie guy. He's so cute. Oh my god. I have no idea where to put this, but I love this. So pretty. Good condition too. That is so pretty. This took 2 months to came. Remember? Stay tuned for Room Makeover Part 2. But yeah, it took 2 months to game. I don't know whether I'm gonna put this in the makeover part 2 or just a regular vlog, but it's kind of the plan. 2 months. I'm gonna assemble it tomorrow after work, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, I'm gonna be unboxing my I'm gonna be unboxing my package from Saba. Oh my god. Hey, okay. Oh, so good. It's pink color. I'm so happy to see it. Thanks. Took 1 month. What's up with my things taking 1 month? Oh my god, so cute! I got a free code as well, but and the code at the back. I got 2 white and 1 black. I got LE white. She wanted a white or nude, but her nude one like out of stock. So I'm getting this. I'm gonna wear this white one. I'll be right back. You guys, update. This is like magnetic, so technically just like magnetic this, and this one is like inbuilt. It's actually not that bad. Actually, it's like